Hey guys, just started to play with ChatGPT, and then of course, like I asked the question, like let me actually go and ask like quickly again for y'all, right? So I went here, right? I asked literally how to update name servers on SeekaHost, right? And then it just like quickly type how to update name servers for your domain because it's understood updating name servers is for domains. And you need to follow the steps. Log into SeekaHost.account, visit the SeekaHost website and click in the login account at the right. Once you log into, click on the domains top menu, select my domains from top menu thing, find the domain which you want to update the name servers, manage button. Wow. On the page, scroll down name servers, enter the name servers you provided, of course, which you get with the email. This is just the start of it. Okay, this gives a basic understanding, but like when this kind of things goes and start providing the custom support, right? And it's just getting smarter. They even say it's like it's up to like still before 2021. So all I'm thinking is like when you give some time in the future, this is gonna get really super duper smart, so that's that one, and then I can regenerate the thing if I want. So then it will stay like that to update name server. So because you follow the steps, it gives a simplified answers right now. Now you simply say, okay, click domains, which is exactly select domain you want to update name server, which is of course what you need to do, and click on the edit name servers, which is something also you need to do. Drop down menu, enter the name servers you want to enter, which you will get from SeekaHost via an email. And if it's on SeekaHost app, you get it when you try to install WordPress or even when you buy a domain from it. So click that update name as well to save changes. So this is a very simplified answer. It's not like really going to detail and show you what I'm thinking is like where it's going. This could of course come down to like drop with images. What I would want is like because on SeekaHost tutorials, right? SeekaHost app, the tutorials, we have everything like explain, name servers, how to update. If ChatGPT bots can go and read and understand, and if over time learn it and become really smart, and if as the owners of this content, if we can train it to fine tune it, it's going to do a really good job. Like it's super fast. Like giving the bullet form, what you can do is like you can copy and paste it on Word document and edit to drop us a couple of things. Like it saves your time. So, and the other thing, I actually just a property I was going to buy, and I go to business. So this is an article I published a few minutes ago, and written by ChatGPT, which I even posted a video on my Facebook. Still not indexed. I'm still not indexed, right? So I publish. I want to see which is written by ChatGPT, which is super fast written, and added some of my word. I posted on the video how I did it. I want to see whether this is going to get indexed and how long will it take to get indexed, and also will it rank for this keyword? What is link domain extension, right? So I'm on the exterior experimentation mode on that one, and this is it. Like, let me ask something like how to buy a domain name on SeekaHost app. Would it really get that? Because SeekaHost app is pretty new. So let me but domain on Seeka. You can follow the step. Go to SeekaHost app website, click the domain in the tab navigation menu, type the domain name you want to purchase into things. So if your domain name is available, click on the car. Wow, review the card and click checkout button. Fill in your personal and billing information and click on the continue button. Choose your payment method, complete the process payment. Once the payment is confirmed, you will receive a confirmation email with the instructions to how to access, which is exactly how you. I'm just gonna take it and then yeah, I just need to investigate a little bit more about things like how much am I entitled, because I'm going to upgrade the chat GPT to the paid version, and then what's the copyright case and all, because I want to know like can I use this kind of, so I can literally copy this, drop it here, edit a bit, add it if I want a little bit, and then this is my title as well, and then I can just add my words, but like it's wrote these point 7 steps. I could even say like 7 steps to buy a domain name on SeekaHost app, which is the best place on the web to buy a domain name pretty easily, right? And I'll get this one right, but this got it right, like see, I wrote it SeekaHost app by on the chart, like on the title, but it got exactly the way our brand, how I would write, how it's been written on the web, and also this is impressive. This is good. This is the way it's only getting started. So, whoa, the human touch is still needed, but where things are going are going to get really interesting. A lot of people like can't get the job done really fast, and the people you used to charge to write, what gonna do? What you can do basically 80 10 cent to the person, your job is gonna be easy. Don't get scared, right? Because there's gonna be still some people need it, but maybe the amount you can charge is gonna probably go down. So you need to get more new skills and things like that. So this has been impressive. This is good. And so this is my little play about on ChatGPT, and I'm doing a lot of experiments on my YouTube channel. Here onwards, you will see the videos. Subscribe Fernand Raymond on YouTube. Just on the low mode, like 100 subscribers still. And so I'm inviting you. And also, if you're seeing this video on Facebook, I invite you to come and join the SeekaHost University, where you can see a lot of these things. We are experimenting about digital marketing, the skills, the blogging, how you can use these AI tools to maximize, be efficient, and go about making money. So that's about this video, guys. Like ChatGPT is really going hard.